Rupee opened strong after yesterday's record low close, but lost a bit of its early gains on strong dollar buying. Dealers say the RBI was supplying dollars. Latha is here with the market wrap. Latha?
The rupee opened exactly where it closed yesterday. That was about 88.75. Remember, on Tuesday, it had gone to an all-time low of nearly 88.90, 88.80. Almost 88.79, if you please. After the steady start, it actually moved a little stronger. The dollar cost as cheap as 88.65 up to a point. And what dealers told us is that there was a goodish bit of supply from public sector banks, and that's usually a proxy for the Reserve Bank. It sells through public sector banks. There were dealers telling us that even in the NDF market, the offshore market for the rupee, also the Reserve Bank was supplying dollars. However, the demand for dollars was so incessant from FPIs. The foreign funds normally, if they have sold equities yesterday, they would come in and buy dollars today to remit it back home. So that dollar buying demand was pretty high. And so despite the offer from the Reserve Bank, the rupee stayed around that 88.70, 88.75 mark. The other factor impinging was the dollar index has moved a tad higher. Early morning, it was, say, 97.23. It went up to 97.45. So that has put pressure on many other Asian currencies also. All of them are down 0.33%, and that was impinging on the rupee as well. However, the expectation is that, there will be month-end flows as well. The Reserve Bank has shown a very firm hand. And perhaps, therefore, that trying to cross 89 will not be attempted by the rupee shorts. There is a general educated view among economists that at 89, the bad news is in the price. In fact, even at 88.75. So there isn't any need for further depreciation, but we have to wait and see.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Latha, for bringing us that comprehensive roundup as far as the rupee is concerned. But let's